Hello, good day. Today is the last Sunday of April. So I'm going to share about the 3 points. The first point is the April month performance recap of whether the past 1 month did I manage to make some profit or losses. And then the second area is talking about the recap of last weekend, summary of the Nasdaq shock, how it happened, STI, Hang Seng, and SMG and Dow. Since it's going to talk a little bit on the month performance, then of course I will just have time to talk about Nasdaq. Then the third point is analysis of the analyzing of Nasdaq QQQ ETF using a volatility index and stock above 200 MA, and with that provide a summary of next week as a trader what should we do. So disclaimer, this is personal opinion. It's more about short-term trade that is intraday to about 4 weeks of duration. With that, let's go into the April month performance. So in April month itself, I have probably, if I look into my overall portfolio, in fact, the short-term trade is take out a small position, as you can see, a small position of the overall portfolio. Typically, I would recommend that if you have a portfolio, please put more of them into the mid-term and the long-term. The medium term is what I term as up to 5 years. Probably those are dividend stock or income-generating type of tools. And then those that are more than 5 years in the area of business, areas of property as well, where they generate some of the rental income. So the focus of this sharing is more of the small position in the overall portfolio that's focusing on trade that is from intraday to 4 weeks. So as to date, at the end of April, I'm still in 60% cash position. So basically, some of the trade that I go in are using the position sizing. So it means that we should not actually go into a trade by showing hand of in one shot, because it's very dangerous if the market moves against it, and then the average of cost down or even to average out will be very tough indeed to make your position much more easier to sell off in the short term. So the number of trade that was done in this month is 12. Number of intraday trade is about 7. So far of them is actually within the 4 weeks time. And then the number of profit trade is about 9, losses 3, and the amount made is about 3.3K, right? So you can see that this is this month, end of the month, so it's about 3.3, and some of the stock that I have went in and sold off, I did not put in the buy and sell price, but I did put in the stock that I was working on. So basically every weekend is about indices, the overall general direction, and during the week I will probably on Wednesday do something on the stock that I'm looking at. So looking ahead, April is a good month average. If you can see in the S&P return from 1998 to 2021, the April is one of the best performing month by average and by median. Going to May, you can see May there is a drop, and June is going to be a much more difficult month. So therefore, on the average, May is still a positive month, but more difficult to trade than in April. I do cautious that in this type of trading environment, do exercise more cautious. Don't overrun your position. And I will also attach my trading input for the last 2 videos that I do during the weekdays, and feel free to actually review them. So let's look into last week QQQ 15 minutes. As you can see on 23rd of April, it does drop, but after the first drop, the second recovery is actually much more of a higher low than the previous one. So in fact, the QQQ have been pulled out very fast and furious. With the how does that happen? Probably it's due to the Meta, the Microsoft, and Amazon. So looking at that, a big correction that is going to look into Nasdaq. Probably the probability is much lower now. In fact, looking into the next week, Federal Reserve is going to have a meeting, and that is on the coming Wednesday. Therefore, my take is not to really do a lot of activity, because you won't know what is the expectation of this meeting outcome going to be. It could be leading into a bigger rate hike. It could be no rate hike. Anything that is going to be a surprise to the market, you can potentially see a correction, or you can see a big pull out of the Nasdaq 2Q. So with that, let's look into the next slide. So there is a comparison of Nasdaq versus volatility index. Basically, the volatility index, if you look over here, is talking about the measure of volatility in the stock market. So when the VIX is low, it means that the market may pull out even higher. And today, if the VIX is high, it shows that the market is having more fear. So you can see when there is a correction here, the VIX is high, right? And whereas a correction, when it's low, the market slowly pull out. And when it come down, the market actually pull out. So when there's a correction, the volatility went up. And over here, you can see volatility actually went up a little bit, and the QQQ is actually out. So this indicator also shows that at this moment, it doesn't look right to be longing on any of the stock component, because my thinking process is on this Wednesday, FOMC is a wildcard. Secondly, volatility have went down to quite a lot, so there may be some spike up, and with that, when there's a spike up, individual stock typically correct more than the indices. Right? Let's look a little bit on the Nasdaq QQQ versus the percentage of stock above 200 MA. So you can see when the 200 MA percent of stock that is low, right? The Nasdaq actually make a bottom. So when it's low over here, Nasdaq make a bottom, and where it's low over here, which is less than 20%, Nasdaq make a bottom. And typically, it means that if you are buying in at this position, probably you can sell off at a higher position. So today, we don't really see that there is a high numbers, right, of stock that is above 200 NA. It's not even near, right? So it's in the center position where it's not giving a very clear direction. So this is another indicator that said, support that to exercise cautious. Firstly, from the May month, is not going to be as fantastic as April. Secondly, from the previous slide that talked about the volatility index, and of course, finally on the 200 MA. So if you read into the 200 MA, in the December of 2020, 83% of stock was above the 200 MA moving average, and you know that in that itself, in 2021, Nasdaq still take a lot of time before it actually come down for correction. So with that, at a 200%, 200 MA percentage that is in the range of 40 to 50%, it's not easy to have a right direction, right? So basically, QQQ versus two indicator plus a feature that was seen for the May, that typically the return is much more lower than April. Hey, FOMC next Wednesday. Let's see what is going to happen. So in summary, for this week and coming into May, do more position sizing, avoid show hand 100% in, especially if you are doing ETF of 2-time or 3-time commodity. I think position sizing is very important. A lot of not clear direction. QQQ support now is at 311 to 313, resistance at 330, and if it's going to hit 330, probably I will took in some short-term type of short for QQQ. Again, much depend on the FOMC, right? So take note, this is for personal opinion. Short-term trade, about 4-week duration. Do take care and use caution on your trading. And of course, for this result, don't forget to like and make comment and subscribe so that whenever I do some update or analytic on the stock market component in the mid of next week, you are able to receive it. With that, thank you.